Okay, good evening, everybody. Thank you very much, join with this class, Now I would like to start our class, This night we have two topics, First topic about the entry mood, or country entry mood, and the second we talk about the international strategic, Okay, I will share, the slide. Okay, have you seen the slide or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
So this title is a country selection and entry mood. So this is our course learning outcome or CELO. First, you can possess your knowledge and re-explain. About the importance of concept in international business. And the second CLO or course learning outcomes, you also has possess the ability to document group performance in reviewing the application of important concept in international business. Beside the CLO, based on this slide, we can also get the final competency in learn stage. First, you able to explain accurately concept related about the cultural, political, economics, and legal difference between countries. The second, the student can also able to explain both individual or in the groups, concept related to the international business strategies and organization, export and import process, production management, marketing, human resources, and also global finance. The next, the student can able to analyze concept related to cultural, political, economics, and legal difference between countries. And the last, final competency in learning state is student can able to analyze concept related to the international business strategies and organization. And for this slide, this is our learning objective. First, you can describe factors that determine which market company are likely to enter, and explain the advantages and disadvantages of different entry modes. And the last, you can also compare between making, allying, and buying as entry tactics. Now we move for the first slide, the introduction. From this slide, you can read that there is a three reason why company move abroad. Move abroad is mean they conduct their business in another country. The first reason is a new market. Like Indofood Sukses Makmur, they sell the instant noodles, the Indomie, not in Indonesia, not in the ASEAN region, but also more than 100 countries, because they need the new market. The second reason is acquire new resources, like Hyundai. They need the mineral from Indonesia, so they build the factory in Central Java. And the rest is the reduce risk. So this is the three reasons why company move abroad their business. This slide, student, show us about the very powerful table when the investors to invest their money into another country. For example, when Tesla has a plan to invest their money to Indonesia, so Elon Musk conduct this assessment. First, cultural distance. Start from different language until different disposition. Administrative distance, geographic distance, and also economic distance. So based on this, the liability of foreigners, the Tesla decided to move from Indonesia, goes to the India. Why? Because there is the economic distance, such as the different human resources and also the different information resources. So the conclusion, from this slide, this is common, assessment, using by the investor before they come to another country. Now, this is the deciding which market to enter. The first three reason how company expand to abroad. But this is the reasons which market to enter. There is a three factors. First, similar liability of foreignness, like a liability foreign firm face a geographic, economic, until administrative difference. The second reason why company enter to the different country, because they want to be first mover advantages. Desire to be the first company to move into those markets. For example, after after 1865, there are so many, European and also the American car move from Indonesia. Based on this situation, the company from Japan has an initiative to enter Indonesia as a first mover advantages. So this is the benefit, the Japanese automotive company, from Japan, from Japan has the advantages as a first mover. And the third factors, is following clients globally, expanding because their customer present them to enter new market. So this is three factors, when company enter the new market. This is the example, first mover advantages. Volkswagen is first mover automotive in the China. And now we learn about the foreign market entry modes. So before company expand their business, after they choose, the country or the markets, using the three factors, the next question is how company or multinational company, enter to the market. There is a 6 entry mode, First is exporting, turnkey, licensing, and also franchising. 4 modes is a non-equity modes. It means the company didn't invest their money if they want it go, if they want enter the new country. But joint ventures and wholly owned subsidiaries, these entry modes need equity. So this is 6 market entry modes. First, exporting. The problem if company choose exporting as an entry modes about the tariff rates, 5 or 6 months ago, there is a biggest problem in the international trade, since Mr. Donald Trump increased the import tariff. The next is a turnkey operation. What is the meaning of turnkey operation? Turnkey operation is, for example, like this slide, Areva is a French company, They focus on developing and commercializing nuclear power in the China. 2008, the firm started building 2 reactors, and they complete the turnkey project until 2019. After that, they train the staff to operate and maintain the facility, and the last Areva handed over the key to the government. So this is the second, entry modes, turnkey operation after exporting. Next, this is the licensing, just example. So licensing also has the disadvantages like the brewery tartan print. And this is the third franchises. Yeah, if you look at this is the top 10 largest global franchises. Yeah, the highest still 7-Eleven, yeah, Subway, until Ace Hardware. And the next is the franchise. Sometimes franchise has advantages. Yeah, because the the company can use the knowledge of the local market players. Yeah. The next is the disadvantages of franchise entry. Yeah. Although Yum China has more than 7,600 restaurants, but mostly, Yum China under the KFC and Pizza Hut brands. So it means if country open opportunity, the multinational company, like FC, McDonald's, in franchise entry, so the local company cannot expand their business. And this is the degree of risk. Whatever your entry mode, whatever the multinational company choose the entry mode, but each entry mode has advantages and also disadvantages. I give you one example. Exporting. The advantages: low cost, quick access, flexibility, and economic of scale. But there is also disadvantages, especially about tariffs, production costs, and also the transportation costs. So this is the relationship between the type of entry modes and also the degree of risk. Now, after multinational company, using three factors: what is the market they want to enter, and then next they also decided what kind entry mode, and after this, the multinational company can make decision about what? About the entry tactics. They want to choose the make, ally, or buy. Make is means the firm can make or develop its own operation in the country. For example, when Kalbe Pharma start their business in Philippines, they choose make. They develop the Kalbe Pharma operation in the country. The second, ally, means partnering with existing firms or firms that are adapted in the local market. For example, right now, McDonald's, they choose the ally. They have a partner. Teh Botol Sostro is a partner of McDonald's. And the last is the buy. Buy means, the original country, the company from original country, they acquire, they buy, the local company to operate their business. So this is we call the make, ally, or buy. Now we try to connect it, between entry modes and entry tactics. So whatever the internationalization entry modes company choose, but they can choose the different entry tactics. Make, it mean do it yourself. Ally, do it with your partners. And buy, you acquire the local company. So based on this, you can analyze, yeah, what is the very